Namaskaram. Well, last time I said that in last episode at 21/9/2021 Tuesday, the gold and silver will go down. On 23rd/9/2021 Thursday evening 19:49 in Indian time 7:49 evening, the gold and silver will be, it will go down, market will fall. Okay, actually the market has fallen, and in gold it's around 700 points, and silver in around 700 points it fall down. Okay, we will see what happened actually yesterday, the Thursday. The moon is Nakshatra, moon Nakshatra is in Kedu. Already I said moon is traveling in the Kedu Nakshatra. Kedu is a malefic planet. What happened? Already, if it is a malefic, it will shows the opposite trend. What I said, the market will fall, but it shows the opposite trend, and it's showing the rising trend. The open high and also previous, it has not broken both the things, but it having showing always a rising trend, going nearing and showing the rising trend. When the time I said that 7:49 is nearing, when the time is nearing, he shown the real, what is his tendency, shown the tendency, then he fall down and break the low. That has happened. Okay, in these things I have proved that in Vedic astrology it is possible to predict the intraday, also the general trend in gold and silver. I have proved that it is possible. I proven that. Okay, some people ask me how it is possible. It is an international market. How it is possible to predict the market of gold and silver? I said, in Vedic astrology, everything is possible to prediction in the prediction. For an example, if an unmarried person wants to know the wife of the name, unmarried persons to predict the wife of the name, it is possible in Vedic astrology. We will tell the name of the wife in the future, coming wife. How it is possible means, I will tell that how it is possible. From Lagna, 7th place is the Kalatrakaraka, means 7th place is the wife place, 7th house. The owner of the 7th house, owner of the 7th house Lord, you check in the Navamsa where it is. In the Navamsa, 7th Lord, in the Rasi 7th Lord in Navamsa, the 12th place and the 2nd place, both the Lords you take it. So 3 planets are there. These 3 planets see the nakshatras, these 3 planets nakshatras. In Rishis, they said that each nakshatra having some letters. Now these 3 planets nakshatras, which nakshatra, accordingly in the row, you join the letters of these 3 planets nakshatras letters. If you join the letter, your wife name will come. This is a very great things what they invented, and in many places I have done that. It is correct. It is we can predict accurately. Okay. Okay, what happened? on that day, moon is traveling in the nakshatra of Kedu. What happened to common people in the world? Okay. While moon is traveling in the nakshatra of Kedu, Rahu, Kedu both are having three sides. One is 3rd, 7th and 11th. They have three aspects. In these three aspects, third aspect is little low power. The 7th aspect is half of the power. The 11th aspect is stronger power. In the 11th aspect, Kedu is aspecting the Lord Mercury. Mercury is in Virgo. Kedu is in Scorpio. Now, the Kedu is aspecting Mercury. What will happen? The Mercury is rules the technical and also rules the education. In people who are working in the technical line, as a malefic, it is aspecting the Mercury. Kedu is aspecting the Mercury. The people working in the technical line, on that particular day, they have some problems. They will suffer some problems in their work. And also the children's in education, on that day, particular day, they will be somewhat in misunderstanding. They can't understand the lessons. They have some, on that day they will some problems. Okay, if in the last finger, small finger, below that it is the Mercury's part. In that part, if it is there is a mole in that part, what will happen if a mole is in the Mercury, small fingers under a small place is there. If it is a mole, that means in their natal chart, the Mercury is weaker. So what will happen? Definitely, according to the problem in the basic chart, they will be suspended or maybe they will be dismissed in their work. This problem will happen in the world, around the world. Okay. I am telling astrology. If you telling astrology of trading, further, if without the basic astrology, you can't touch the trading hereafter. So you should know the basic astrology. Basic astrology is a very vast subject. So you don't afraid about that, because I shorten the subject and very quickly and shortenly I will teach you. So you don't worry about that. Okay, if I will teach that. Okay, if you have some people, for common people, I am telling, they don't know their horoscope, they don't know the nakshatra, their rasi. They don't know basic astrology. Don't worry about that. I will teach you. Even if they are not having their fingerprints, they are not having their own hand itself, I can tell astrology to them. That is a secret. I will tell afterwards how I am telling that. This is pure science. You don't think something else. Okay. Once in astrology, people think it is a 12 chart. In the chart, it is a 12 houses, and rasis are there. But actually, in astrology, it is only 4 houses. This is a secret. And there is, in astrology, there is only one point and 4 directions. This is the basic. One point means if you start a drawing or maybe big drawing or small drawing, you you must start only in point, then only you can draw any drawings. Like that, the single point is the secret of astrology. The 4 directions are the basic. From this single point, the rishis, the Vedas, so many Vedas they have written. Only in this single point they have developed this much of Vedas and Shastras. Okay, that single point is the secret. I will teach you how they developed. Also, basic elements, 5 elements. This is basic for astrology. These 5 elements, they have filled in 12 houses. If you fill 5 basic elements to fill in 12 houses, definitely it will remainder will 0.5. It is not possible. But they filled. It is a pure max. I will tell that technique how they fill the 5 elements in this 12 rasis.